Good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss new topic, that is valency electrons. Valency electrons. Here the definition is the number of electrons which are present in outermost orbit is called valence electrons. I repeat once again. The number of electrons which are present in outermost orbit is called valency electrons. If I discuss the example, then you will get clear idea about it. For example, take nitrogen atom. Its atomic number 7. I discussed already atomic number and electronic configurations in chapter 3, that is atoms and molecules chapter. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Now this 2s and 2p, these are present in valence shell, nothing but outermost shell. How can we say that? See, this is nucleus, this is first orbit, this is second orbit. First orbit contains 1s2, second orbit contains 2s2, 2p3. That means this 2s and 2p present in second orbit. That means this nitrogen atom having only two shells. This is first shell, this is second shell. This is not having more than two shells. That means this nitrogen having this outermost orbit. This nitrogen atom having this second shell is considered as outermost orbit for nitrogen. Outermost orbit means last orbit. Now that last orbit contains how many electrons? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3, how many? 5. 5 electrons. So that the number of valency electrons in nitrogen is how much? 5. That's all. Coming to oxygen. Its atomic number 8. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. That means this is nucleus, this is first shell, that means 1s2. This is second shell, means 2s2, 2p4. That means this is also having two shells as nitrogen, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. That means this 2s and 2p present in second shell only. But this second shell is considered as outermost orbit because that is the last shell. Now that outermost orbit contains how many electrons? 2 plus 4. This power is called what? Electrons. So 2 plus 4, how much? 6. So totally how many valence electrons? 6 valence electrons present in oxygen. Now coming to fluorine. Its atomic number 9. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. That means this is nucleus, this is first orbit 1s2, this is second orbit 2s2, 2p5. This is also contains two shells as oxygen and nitrogen. That means these are valence electrons. That means 2 plus 5, how much? 7. So like that we can say valence electrons in any atom. For example, take sodium. Its atomic number 11. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. So what is its valence electrons? This is nucleus, this is first orbit, nothing but 1s2. This is second orbit, nothing but 2s2, 2p6. This is third orbit, nothing but 3s1. Now this sodium having 3 shells, 1, 2, 3. This third shell is considered as outermost orbit, nothing but valence shell. Now that valence shell contains how many electrons? 1 electron. This we should see this power nothing but electrons. 1 electron, that's all. Magnesium. Atomic number 12. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. That means it contains 2 valence electrons. Aluminium. Atomic number 13. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 3p1. That means this 3s 3p contains 3 electrons. This is valence shell, so that 2 plus 1 how many? 3. That means 3 valence electrons present in aluminum. So what is the definition of valence electrons? The number of electrons which are present in outermost orbit is called valency electrons. That's all. So to find the valence electrons, you should know to write the electronic configuration. How to write the electronic configuration? Without knowing electronic configuration, we can't say, you can't get clear idea about valency electrons. Next, here one more point is there, that is octet configuration. Octet configuration, octet means 8. That means if the outermost orbit contains 8 electrons, that is called octet configuration. I repeat once again. If the outermost orbit contains 8 electrons, that is called octet configuration. And one more point. If an atom having 8 electrons in its outermost orbit, then it will be more stable. This is very important point. Listen carefully. What I told you now. What is the meaning of octet configuration? If an atom having 8 electrons in outermost orbit, that is called octet configuration. What is the next point? If an atom having 8 electrons in its outermost orbit, then it will be more stable. For example, take neon. Neon, atomic number how much? 10. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. That means this is outermost orbit. It contains how many electrons? 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6, how many? 8 electrons. Take argon. It contains, it is atomic number 18. Electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Now this is outermost orbit. It also contains 8 electrons. That means what? This neon and argon having 8 valence electrons in its outermost orbit. So that it is having octet configuration and they are more stable. They are more stable because they are having octet configuration. This is very important point. What is octet configuration? If 8 electrons is present in outermost orbit, that is called octet configuration. If any atom having 8 electrons in its outermost orbit, that will be more stable. Next, last point regarding this one. Every atom tries to get octet configuration, nothing but stable configuration, by losing or gaining or sharing of electrons. I repeat once again. Every atom tries to get stable configuration by losing or gaining or sharing of electrons. For example, take Na plus. Na plus means Na loses 1 electron. I told you already. Plus indicates loses, minus indicates gains. Na plus 1s2, 2s2. Actually here Na is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. But here Na plus, that means it loses 1 electron. That means that electrons should be removed from outermost orbit. So this is the configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Now this 2s2, 2p6 having 8 electrons. That means this is octet configuration, nothing but stable configuration. And one more example, take Mg plus 2. See, actually Mg 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. But Mg plus 2 means we should remove 2 electrons from outermost orbit. Then this configuration also having as Na plus configuration. That means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Plus 2 means it loses 2 electrons. That 2 electrons should be removed from outermost orbit. So finally this is the electronic configuration for Mg plus 2. Now this one also having 8 electrons. That means stable configuration. So what is the point? Every species means atoms or ions or molecules, every species try to get octet configuration, nothing but stable configuration by losing or gaining or sharing of electrons. So this is all about octet configuration. Thank you.